What's up, y'all? Andre here. I am your English teacher. Today, we're going to look at the difference between if and in case. Both are used to talk about possibility in the future.
If is about things we will do later if something else happens.
I will ask you one question. If you answer it correctly, you will win money. You will win.
Yeah, he said if you answer the question, you will win the money. So you will win the money later only if you answer the question. So the money will come after you answer the question. However, in case it's about precautions that we take now to avoid problems in the future.
A contingency plan is needed in case there is a disaster.
Yeah, just as the presenter said, the contingency plan starts now to prepare any disaster, any future problems that might come in the future.
Now it's your turn. After me, it's going to be an exercise. So write your answers in the comment section and I will be thrilled to read your answers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next lesson. Bye.
I told myself I'd never let it hurt me. Been wasting tears on things that don't deserve me. Blessed with the courage to feel the